Short while back, Nothing announced the upcoming Phone 3 will not have a Glyph LED on the back, a feature that quickly became the trademark of the brand. Ever since that, speculation ensured that Glyph LED will be replaced by a dot matrix display. And now the company itself confirmed it. It will be branded Glyph Matrix, undoubtedly to be built as a next logical evolution of Glyphs, as it makes sense, as the dot matrix display will be more customizable than a simple array of LED dots to the random patterns on the back. As you can see in the teaser video, the dot matrix display seems to be positioned in the top right corner of the phone 3 sphere, which makes us think the camera island won't be centered but left aligned, otherwise it would make sense and a very odd look. So that the leaked renders from the while back, maybe that's it with this extra bit of salt in it. Nothing is altering out from phone 3 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and will get 5 major Android OS updates with 7 years of security patches. It will be unveiled on London in July 1st.